आई एम सीनियर थेरेपिस्ट एट फिजियोक्योर क्लिनिक मुंबई। सो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं फिजियोथेरेपी इन वुमेन्स हेल्थ। So did you know that there is a specialized physiotherapist for treating the n number of women's conditions? So these physiotherapists are also known by other names like pelvic health physiotherapist or the gynecological physiotherapist, and most commonly used is the women's health physiotherapist. So these therapists treat the woman's condition in a non-surgical way. Why physiotherapy in women's health is so important? Many people do not know about the physiotherapy in women's health. Second thing is about the lack of awareness. Many women do not know what the bodily changes they go through. It could be towards the reproductive system or non-reproductive system. They are themselves not aware about it, whether the things are in a normal way or not. They should not feel like embarrassed or shy to talk about all these things. They should go to the doctor and discuss about it. Every woman should give themselves the first priority about their own health. It is all about the lack of time and priority, because of which the woman suffers a lot, and then they end up at a stage where it becomes difficult for a physiotherapy to cure it. It is all about the education. Every woman should be able to understand how the body works and what changes they go through right from the young age up to the old age. Let's understand how the woman's health is divided into two categories. The first is the reproductive health, which includes maternal health, sexual health, sex education, infertility, or the menstrual cycle. Non-reproductive system includes cardiovascular disease, diabetes, osteoporosis, hypertension, obesity, joint pain, thyroid problem, and many more. The main question arises when to visit a woman's health physiotherapist. So now I have classified 4 stages. So according to those, we'll just go through the conditions, and if you are one of them and you are able to relate, then you need to contact and you need to get it solved. First is young age. So the conditions related to the young age could be the mental health illness or menstruation related problems like PCOD, PCOS, or it could be the vaginal issues or uterus problem like endometriosis. Now talking about the childbearing age, this means it is about the pre and post pregnancy. So conditions related to pre and post pregnancy are urinary incontinence. This means there is loss of urine while doing the activities like laughing, sneezing, or coughing. Other conditions could be back and perineal pain, then pelvic floor dysfunction, bowel bladder dysfunction, carpal tunnel syndrome, diastasis recti, and abdominal muscle weakness. The third stage is the perimenopausal age. This means a woman is simply around the menopause. So the conditions related to the perimenopausal age are again urinary incontinence. The most important one is the pelvic organ prolapse. This means a woman has a feeling of like something coming out into the vagina. The next are the behavioral or stress disorder, hot flashes, then weight gain. The last stage is a geriatric stage. This means the woman is now into the old age. So in this, as the estrogen level is down, woman gets more prone to become like osteoporotic. That is, the bones become brittle, they become weak, and there are more chances of the fractures, that like the compression fracture of the spine or the bone fracture. It could be due to the fall. And also there are some postural changes, like the woman might go into kyphosis, which may lead to the pain in the upper back or in the lower back, and also the tolerance activity has decreased. How can a woman's health physiotherapy help you with this? So we create awareness about the woman's health. Secondly, it is important for every woman to understand how important your core muscles are. So core muscles are not only the abdominal muscles. It is important for you to understand that core includes the abdominal muscles as well as the back muscles, the pelvic floor muscles, and your diaphragm muscles. We at PhysioCure Clinic have a holistic approach towards the woman's health. That is, we go through a general treatment with a proper diet plan, how the exercise has to be done, which type of exercise has to be done. It all depends upon the assessment and the examination. We make use of the modalities like the trans-electrical nerve stimulator or the interferential therapy or any technique that could help the woman. It could be dry needling or the cupping therapy or the taping method. We also look towards the stress management by doing the breathing exercises or the meditation. Also, certain yoga poses to cure your condition. The most important is the pelvic floor exercises. So there are few of the exercises to tighten your pelvic floor or few of the exercises to make your pelvic floor release and relax. I hope this video was useful information for you. If you feel so, do share with your friends and relatives. And yes, the important thing is if you could relate any of the conditions with yourself, just feel free to contact us. Thank you.